Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error list indices must be integers or slices, not dict. The error message. Type error list indices must be integers or slices, not dict, typically occurs in Python when you're trying to use a dictionary, a key-value data structure, as an index for a list, a sequential data structure, but the dictionary is not being used correctly as an index. Here's an example that might trigger this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this case, you're trying to use the dictionary my_dict as an index for the list my_list, which is not valid because list indices must be integers or slices, not dictionaries. List indices are used to access elements in a list based on their position, whereas dictionary keys are used to access values based on their associated keys. To fix this error, you need to use an integer or a slice as an index when accessing elements from a list. If you need to access elements in the list based on keys from the dictionary, you'll need to update your code to use the dictionary keys to retrieve the corresponding values, and then use those values as indices for the list, like this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.